Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to pin the ribbon in Microsoft Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, your emails will begin loading onto your screen. Give it a moment to fully load your inbox and display all your messages. Now, if you've been experiencing issues with your ribbon constantly shrinking or disappearing, pinning it permanently is a straightforward fix. The ribbon is that toolbar area at the top of your screen that contains all your formatting and action buttons. When it's unpinned, it can collapse automatically, which can be frustrating when you need quick access to those tools. To pin your ribbon, direct your attention to the top right part of your screen within the ribbon section. You'll notice a small drop-down arrow icon located there. Go ahead and click on this arrow, and a menu with additional options will appear. This menu gives you control over how your ribbon behaves and displays. From the list of options that appears, simply click on Always Show Ribbon. This action pins your ribbon permanently to the top part of your screen, right under your menu tab. Once you select this option, your ribbon will remain visible at all times, giving you constant access to all your formatting tools, action buttons, and features without having to manually expand it every time you need it. With this setting enabled, you won't have to worry about your ribbon collapsing or hiding anymore. It will stay pinned and visible, making your workflow much smoother and more efficient when composing emails, organizing your inbox, or using any of Outlook's features. And there you go, you've successfully pinned your ribbon in Microsoft Outlook. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.